Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. If you're new here, I am Molly Smiles and I like to do makeup. Sometimes you might get a random video that has nothing to do with makeup. That's just kind of my personality. I'm all over the place, but it's mostly makeup, and today it is definitely makeup. So it's my birthday, and you know, we're in quarantine, so I'm not really able to go out and celebrate it. But I thought that I could create a cute little makeup look that would make me feel as if I was getting ready to go out, even though I am not, okay? So let's get our brushes, and the palette that I'm going to use today is a palette that I got a while back in my BoxyCharm called Ace Beauty Vintage Dawn. I don't know if I'm pronouncing that right. It's got a little symbol over the E. So, I don't know. And this is what it looks like on the inside. As you can see, I've already used it before. And today what I kind of wanted to do was create like a sunset-y type of look. At least that's what I'm thinking. If it turns out to not look like a sunset, well, I mean, that was the inspiration, was a sunset. So, if it gets to that, we'll find out. But that's what the goal is. So today I'm going to find a fluffy clean brush. I'm going to zoom y'all in so y'all can see my eyes up close. I know it's kind of scary the closer you get, but bear with me. And the first shade that I'm going to dip into is going to be Grand Canyon, which is going to be this dark burnt orange color. And I'm going to kind of put that at the outer corner of my crease. Now we're going to take another fluffy brush and we're going to dip it into this bright orange color Horizon. And we are going to put it also in the crease over top of Grand Canyon to kind of like blend the colors together. Now we're going to take, this is going to be a lot of layering of colors, but we're going to take another fluffy brush, one that we have not used, another clean one of course, and we are going to dip it into Daybreak, which is this bright yellow, and we're just going to put it on the outskirts here, you know, to give that feel of a sunset, the changing colors of a sunset. Look at how pretty that is to mix it all together. Of course, there's all sorts of different ways that you can create a sunset. There's different colors, different beautiful colors of sunsets. So any way that's a sunset to you counts. And now I'm just going to go back over with Horizon, which is the middle shade that we use, the really bright orange one. I'm just going to go back over in this middle, just to make sure we didn't erase any of that in there. And then I kind of want to go in with Gleam, which is this red, maroon, burnt, red-orange type of shade. And I'm going to get a special kind of brush for this because I want it to go on my lid. Actually, first what I'm going to do, change of plans, guys. First, I'm going to take a different brush and I'm going to dip into Pyramid. Pyramid, and I'm going to put it on the outer corners to deepen that up. Along the lash line, just kind of like in almost like a V shape. Of course, it doesn't quite. I don't know, you tell me, does it look like it's in a V shape? We'll see. I'm practicing too, guys. Like, I'm not the best that there is in this world. Okay, so now we're going to take that shade Gleam, and we're going to put that on our lid. And for some reason, these colors mixed together kind of remind me of like a sunset that maybe, I've never been to Africa, but maybe a sunset you would see in Africa. I have watched Naked and Afraid, and also The Lion King, the sunset that they showed in the beginning. Not that they were factually correct or anything, but it's just what it makes me think of. And it doesn't seem like the brush is doing a whole lot, so I'm just going to take one of my fingers and apply it that way. Much better. Okay, we're going to take that same brush that we were trying to apply it with and just kind of try and get it better on the crease part. Okay, and now we're going to go in with a smaller brush. A brush like that. Obviously you can't see very well. And I'm going to go into Sun, which is this bright yellow one. And I'm going to put that in the corner of my eye. Cool. And so now I'm going to go off camera and do my other eye, and then we'll get back to doing the makeup on my face. Okay, so now I'm going to go in with my e.l.f. Flawless Satin Foundation, and I'm going to start doing the rest of my face, and then I'll come back to the lower lashes of my eyes. Okay, now we are going to go in with my e.l.f. 16 Hour Camo Concealer, and we are going to conceal under our eyes, on our nose, our cupid's bow, our chin, and my, wow, that's a lot. It's probably going to need to be toned down. Okay, now I'm not going to use a concealer stick this time. I'm just going to use my Park Avenue Princess Bronzer by Tarte. And I am going to kind of cut my face in and give it a little bit of color to go with all this paleness. I look a bit crazy right now. I am going to take this brush and dip it into that same bronzer and do my nose, just because the middle of my face is super light, so I kind of want to tone that down a little bit. Just gonna bounce over a little bit. Fill it out. Okay, now we're gonna go in with my Isla. I'm not sure. It's ISLA. And I am going to put my blush on. Now I'm going to take my highlighter and I'm going to use the Peppermint Frost Skin Frost Pro Palette, and I'm going to use the shade Igloo Gold, and I'm going to brush that onto my cheeks, my nose, my Cupid's bow. You know the drill by now. Okay, so since I did all that, now I'm gonna go in back with that palette and I'm gonna put those colors under my eyes. I'm gonna use a different brush to apply it. And I'm just going to mix Grand Canyon and Horizon, which are the two oranges. These two. I use these two. And I'm going to put them under my eyelashes on the bottom. And towards the outer corner, again, I want to use the dark shade Pyramid just to darken the outside of the bottom. And now I'm going to take that little brush that we used for our inner corner and I'm going to use that same shade and I'm going to pull it down on the bottom lash line too. So now I'm going to do my eyebrows and I'm going to be using Brow Bar by Rima. It's in really small writing and I don't have my glasses on. And I'm going to use this dark shade because my eyebrows are black. That one spot on my eyebrow. See, for people who have eyebrows already, they don't necessarily need to draw on their skin. So you're supposed to just add it to whatever. You know, I'm not going anywhere, so screwed up my eyebrow. It's okay, we all make mistakes. That is the lesson here. We all make mistakes. Yes, we do. Anyways, okay, so now I'm going to do my lips. And I'm going to be using Dose of Colors Charm. Just to really stick with the whole burnt theme. I'm actually going to add just a little bit more blush because now that I have all the other color on my face, it looks a little bare. So I don't think a little bit more could hurt it too much. Watch, it's like the end all for this look. You have destroyed your look. Just a little bit. And now the last thing to do, I'm going to do off camera, which is my lashes. And I will see you when I get them on. Alright guys, that is the finished look of my sunset birthday look. And I went with a more simple eye. I did put on like a little line of eyeliner. I thought that would look cute. I did not want to do full-blown lashes. I just wanted to put some mascara on my lashes and let it be like an easy night because it's already so dramatic. So I hope you like it and I will see you next time.